In this video, I'm going to show you what broker chart I use on TradingView when doing chart analysis for FTMO challenges. Welcome back. My name is John. Here we talk about ways to simplify your trading and free you from the belief that trading can't be done. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss another video, and don't forget to smash the like button. Okay, so today what I want to do is just show you quickly what chart I use on TradingView. Because the problem here, when I would do a challenge with FTMO, I noticed lots of times the broker I would select, especially when I was doing my back testing, that's when I would notice it because I was covering a longer period of time. But the candles wouldn't match up very well. Sometimes they'd move in the opposite direction, or there'd be large gaps, and it wasn't very helpful when I was trying to test my strategies out. So right now you're looking at FTMO chart on MetaTrader. So what it is now we're here, we're looking at TradingView, same pair, 15-minute time frame. Now, in order for this to look fairly close, and I'm sure there's a couple other ones out there, but I found a lot of them that just didn't match up well. So you might have already run into this problem. But if you go up the left-hand corner and you look at the list, there's a decent list to pick through. So, and I really wasn't sure which one to stick with, but after going through them, what I found the best one to be, where are we here? There we go. So this one right here, currency.com. This one seems to match fairly well. So if you go back and you look at MetaTrader, you can see that it seems to react fairly close to what it actually is on TradingView. TradingView matches with MetaTrader. So that's it. There's not much to this, but like if you've been struggling and having any issues trying to find a chart that matches, now I'm sure this isn't identical, and I tried talking to FTMO about this, asking them, because I've noticed too in they have a now chat with charts section, and they show a TradingView chart, but that chart is specifically for them. It's not available to the rest of us on TradingView. So I tried asking for that and they couldn't give me the information for it, unfortunately, because it's not available to us. We just get to see it in FTMO. So the closest thing I could find was this chart right here, which again is, if you scroll down just a bit, you'll see currency.com. And hopefully that helps you out a little bit.